All right, so in this case, we're going to talk about this charger that you see here. So this is going to be kind of an unboxing. I just did it for my other channel. It's very basic, so basically you're going to take it out of the box and then you have this. But I'm going to show you a little bit closer about this, because if you're going to buy a charger, so at least in this case it says 20 volts and 20 volts, 12 volts, 12 volts and 20 volts lithium. I was searching online and it says that it works with 60 volts, so I will have to check and see if that is true. And I think I sent an email to Dewalt and I think they said that it was okay. So this is the model that you see here, dcb104. So I'm going to show you a little bit closer, so that way you see everything that this thing can do. So basically, multi-port, simultaneous fast charge. So that is great because you can put 4 batteries at the same time, and they will charge. It will charge them at the same time, because most of the chargers, like Rigid or sometimes Ryobi, I have one that is rigid and it's just 2 batteries, and it will charge one and then it will charge the other one, and it's not even a supercharger. And I think I bought another one rigid, and I bought another one that is a Ryobi, and I think it charged maybe 2 at a time or something like that. I don't remember. It's no supercharger. So if you're working a lot and let's say you're using like a rotary hammer drill, the one that runs on 60 volts, you're going to consume the batteries like in 10 minutes. It's going to get depleted. So if you have something that they will charge them very quickly, great. Otherwise, if you have the regular charger, I mean, it can take forever. So as you can see, even if this is a fast charge, it will take 40 minutes to charge 40 amps. So if you have, let's say, 12 amps, for instance, like I said before, in this rotary hammer drill, I mean, it's going to take at least an hour, or 2, who knows, to charge a big battery. So surely it will take maybe 2 or 3 hours, but at least, it's for the regular tools, I think it will be okay. So I have to see if it's going to work with the 60 volt or not. It's a shame that it doesn't say here, or maybe it's just 12 and 20 volts. I want something, for everything, because I have the yellow one that it works 12, 20, anything. I don't have 12, anything 12, but I have 20 and I have 60. So also it comes, I think, with an adapter that you can put here for the Bluetooth, if you have to trace or track the charger, I guess. I don't know if you can do the same thing with the batteries. So here you have a 3 years warranty, one free service, 1 year of free service, and 90 days money back. So that is great. This is the model that I told you before, the CB104, and is 110 volts. So I am in US. If you need tools, if you want me to ship it to you, I can do that. If you're outside of the United States, if you're here, I'll try to leave you the link in the video description, and you can buy it yourself. So here it says the same thing that I just told you. It doesn't say much than that. So now let's see the product itself. So as you can see here, you have the color, the yellow color. Here in the very back, you have the fans. I have to try it. It comes with the cable. So it's a good thing, is built in, that you cannot unplug it. Here it comes with the bracket here, so that way you can twist the cable around this instead of having it like that, because once you start using it, you're going to keep it like that. But in my case, I'm going to put it in my sprinter van. So I don't think so. I'm going to remove this. I'm going to leave it like that and plug it in and see how it works. Otherwise, you can use it maybe just here, leave it like that, if you are going to use this to keep the cable in place. So later I'll see how it works. If we can put it back the tracer, the Bluetooth tracer. If it's not that expensive, we can use that. And here it says again 12, 20. I'll try with the 60 and see how it goes. It comes with a handle, and the other thing that I like is it comes with this bracket that you see here on the side, so that way you can put screws and screw it on the wall, and that's it. It's not difficult, because the other one, they have like we're set up in the very back like this. I don't like this type of charger that you see here, that you have to do this, you know. Usually they don't last, they don't stay in place or anything like that. It would be nice if this type of charger, this is Milwaukee, could have, you know, some flaps here or maybe wings, so that way you can put a few screws and keep it in place. So that is very important. I was going to make maybe another video later. For instance, this here you have a rapid charge for Milwaukee, you know, for 12 volts and 18. And this is the regular one, so this one sucks, so I'm going to try to sell it later. But with this, you know, if you have to wait, you know, an hour or 2 hours, 3 hours to charge something, this is going to be fast. But if you have, you know, like a bulky battery here, it's going to take forever. So hopefully this video was useful. Never buy the regular charger, always buy the fast charger, and you will be a happy camper. Otherwise, if you know, have to charge a lot of batteries and you have your workers with you and everything, they're not going to wait, you know, all day long or next day just to have all the batteries charged. So like I said, if you have any question, please let me know in the section below, and see you in the next class. Do you want to buy this charger 104 Dewalt? So you see it's 20 volts, but it doesn't say 60. So as you can see here, I put the 60 volt and it works just fine. It's great. So this is a failure from the marketing department. They should be fired. As you can see, it says 12 and it says 20, and it doesn't say anything about 60. So I bought it, I tried, and it works. So if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. I am in US. If you're outside of United States, you want me to send you tools or anything like that, please let me know, and I'll send it to you via FedEx, DHL, or whatever it works for you. See you next time.